In the school year of 2017 to 2018, the percentage of students ages 3 to 21 who received special education services under IDEA differed by race and ethnicity. The percentage of students served under IDEA was highest for American Indian Alaska Native students at 18%, followed by Black students at 16%, white students and students of two or more races at 14% each, Hispanic students 13%, Pacific Islander students 11%, and Asian students at 7%. In each racial ethnic group except for Asian and two or more races, the percentage of students who receive special education services for specific learning disabilities combined with the percentage who receive students for speech or language impairments accounted for 50% or more of students served under IDEA. One of the longest lasting myths in bilingualism is that children with developmental disabilities should not become bilingual, or if they already are using a minority language in the home, should stop using it. Thanks to new research in the field, this view is slowly being replaced by one that states that these children can indeed become bilingual or remain bilingual. A prevalent fear expressed by families and professionals alike is that learning one language is already difficult for these children. Therefore, with developmental disabilities, two languages, the argument goes, might result in no language being learned as well. And learning two or more languages would just be too difficult for these children, which, in fact, as we have learned, is actually not true. All of the available evidence says there are no differences in the language skills of children with developmental disabilities, and their similarly affected monolingual peers as long as bilinguals are compared to monolinguals in an appropriate way. And by appropriate, I mean that if a simultaneous bilingual child with a developmental disability has relatively equal abilities in both languages, then research shows their ability in each language does not differ from that of a monolingual, similarly affected peers. But however, many simultaneous bilingual children do not have equal abilities in both their languages because they hear and use one language more often than the other. In this case, their stronger language should be the language that is compared to that of monolingual children. When this happens, they are no different from their similarly affected peers.